Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how your computer is working. Why is it running slow? Is your RAM full or is your CPU too hot? I'm going to show you how to check these for free. Press Ctrl, Shift and ESC at same time. At this time Task Manager will be opened. Press the Performance section. In here you will see Disk and Network Activation. What percentage is the CPU running it? How much GB used for RAM and how much is empty? There is also different way. If you didn't want to test your computer with this way, you can try website. Let's go to Chrome. Write HW Monitor to search box. In this website you can test your computer's datas. You will download this program with choosing your computer's operating system. Today's video was this. If I could help you, subscribe and like me.